So this is actually without anything. You know, there's no like support or anything, no enhancement. But this is with.
Oh
now,
my
this
God.
is a huge difference. Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new here, my name is Isabel and I am a 20 years old trans woman, and a content creator here on YouTube and even on TikTok. And if you're not new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here and staying in tune with me. So in today's video, we're actually gonna do something different, and we're gonna talk about what most trans women out there actually wonder about. How to get wider hips. I'm going to be real with you because there's no magic trick. However, since I've been transitioning in 2 whole years, I have a lot of wisdom and knowledge that you wouldn't want to miss out. I can help you change your shape and make you feel so much more confident in your body. So let's get into it. So before we go ahead with the video, I'm so excited to launch my Patreon finally. This is where the magic actually happens. I have 2 tiers. Tier 1, the beautiful people, $4.99 and a 7 days trial free period. Get sponsor emojis, a sponsor badge, early access to all my videos and HD full quality videos, exclusive shorts, and the chance to vote for polls, and you'll be able to vote for whatever my next video will be about. Tier 2, the God tier, for only $7.99, and there's also a 7-day free trial. You'll get everything from Tier 1 plus discounted merch, direct contact with me, extra exclusive videos and shorts. You'll be able to play different games with me and even get behind the scenes bloopers which nobody ever has seen. And in today's videos, special shout out actually goes to, thank you so much for the support. Like, it truly means so much. And thank you for being here and being part of my journey. Now let's head on to the video right away. So the first step is obvious, the foundation. Understanding your body and your body shape. So first things first, hips are determined by your bone structure and what you're born with already. If you started puberty with testosterone, the more likely it is that your hips are much more narrow than a cis woman, biological woman. That's just, biology and the blueprint of your genes, which is totally okay. But you can change that, believe it or not. Because here's the catch. The good news is actually that you can build on your body. You can build muscles, redistributing fat and styling more wiser. So if your bones don't change, your silhouette can most definitely change. If you're on HRT, hormone replacement therapy, on estrogen, the fat will naturally go to your hips as long as you eat, girl, you gotta eat at the same time. This fat will not only go to your hips, but also your thighs and even the butt over time, which will actually compensate with the hips. And this process is actually called fat redistribution, and it's slow, really slow. You might start noticing a few changes per month, but they're not quite big changes, especially when you're looking at yourself every single day in the mirror. You're obviously not gonna see a lot of change. For me, when I really saw change, it was actually around the 6th month on hormones. And actually how I noticed was I went to the bathroom with my twin brother too. I was fixing my hair or something and he was doing whatever. But we started looking at each other in the mirror. I was here and he was here. And then I was like, I just felt like my hips were a lot bigger than his. And I was like, let me just remove a little bit of my panties and drag them down a little bit. And then there was a huge difference. It was a shocker too. we literally gasped, if I remember correctly. Yes, because yes, it was a huge difference. I mean, my hips were like twice as wide than his. I mean, this were his and these were mine. I mean, it was a huge change. I mean, also with the hormones, naturally they made me a lot more hungry. So I was eating daily, like everything almost. So number 3, the most exciting part of this video actually, and that holds the most secrets of mine. I'm actually gonna show you my silhouette personally, but this is actually what I use. I know. So this is actually a legging that actually enhances your butt. It lifts it up, but also it has structure on each side. Do you see that? So what it actually will do is widen your hips a lot more and create more like layerings, if you will. And I put this over my tucking. This actually, I noticed it very recently because I had bought an extra like sticky glue on accident, and I was like, like what can I do with this? And I actually put these around my hips like this. So they are very thin, which is good because thin equals more natural. Like less change equals more natural. You know what I mean? You don't want to exaggerate with this because otherwise it can look very weird, if you will. But I actually put this on my hips like this. Like imagine this for, men. They usually wear, what's it called? Like shoulder pads, I think it's called. But here, this is for your hips. And I actually think there are more professional ones out there, but so far, like you gotta do what you gotta do with what you have. So this is actually without anything. There's no like support or anything, no enhancement, but this is with. Now, this is a huge difference. I mean, just look at the support here from the legging and the pads here, just making me have like a more hourglass figure, if you will. Like even from the side, it's pretty. And I think that's what it's all about. I usually even wear like tight leggings with flared jeans as well to compensate the hourglass figure, with my broader shoulders, and then, the hips, and then, yeah, the flared leggings. So I also wear these type of leggings that have almost this kind of model to it. It's kind of like a gym legging, if you will, but it'll literally make your hip super secured and just much more flattering because of the tightness around the hip here. I usually go down a size than my usual size. So I'm a small. I got this in XS. And oh my god, by the way, the color is so gorgeous, like for real. But I'm actually gonna show this on too. So yeah, these are my other leggings. They're super comfy, and especially with the under leggings as well to structure everything. My butt and even my hips along the way. It just compensates with everything and makes everything look so like just in shape. It looks like I've been to the gym, but honestly, I've like never even touched foot in a gym, I think. Like honestly. Maybe perhaps once through PE class in school, but otherwise no. Yeah, I mean obviously jeans do play a huge part because luckily I've not had to, like train my butt perhaps and make it bigger and even my hips, but there's obviously these enhancements that can help a lot, as you saw. And I forgot to mention that I bought the leggings from Temu for only like, $10, I think, which is not that cheap, but it's still like, its work, and I've been using it so much, so I think that it's worth it. And then my leggings are also from Shein. So yeah, I think the burgundy ones that I have on right now, they costed me like perhaps $25, I think. But yeah, it's not bad at all if you think like long terms. And yeah, that would be it for this video. If you've came this far, please make sure to subscribe and turn on all the notifications down below. I would really much appreciate it. And then I have all my social medias linked down below. My Patreon again, make sure to check it out. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful, beautiful people.